Enhancing middle school science learning through Minecraft, a case study of virtual world applications. This study explores how Minecraft, a popular sandbox video game, can be used as a teaching tool to make science learning more interactive and engaging. 2 classroom activities were designed for middle school students in India, one to simulate the water cycle and another to build electrical circuits using Minecraft's redstone mechanics. A total of 42 students, working in small groups, participated in these activities. Using a design-based research approach, the study aimed to see how game-based learning could improve understanding of scientific concepts while also building teamwork and problem-solving skills. Students created virtual models that showed processes like evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, and experimented with circuit design to understand current flow, resistance, and conductivity. Data was collected from teacher feedback, student reflections, and classroom observations. Results showed that Minecraft helped students better visualize and grasp abstract concepts, leading to stronger understanding. It also encouraged collaboration, digital fluency, and critical thinking. Teachers observed higher student engagement and participation compared to traditional textbook lessons. The study concludes that when integrated thoughtfully, Minecraft can be a powerful educational tool for teaching science while also nurturing important 21st century skills. Introduction. Minecraft is a world-famous video game where players can build, explore, and experiment in a block-based, 3D environment. Unlike traditional games with fixed goals, Minecraft is open-ended, allowing players to set their own objectives and be creative. This flexibility makes it especially useful in education. Teachers and students can use Minecraft to design ecosystems, simulate scientific processes, recreate historical sites, or practice coding. The Special Education Edition adds classroom tools like lesson templates, coding modules, and teacher dashboards, turning the game into a powerful learning platform. By building virtual models, students learn by doing, which helps them better understand complex ideas in science, math, and other subjects. It also encourages teamwork, problem-solving, creativity, and communication, skills needed in today's world. Because it supports different learning styles and makes failure part of the learning process, Minecraft helps students engage more deeply and confidently with knowledge across disciplines. Conclusion. Minecraft offers a creative and interactive way to teach science by turning abstract ideas into hands-on experiences. In its open-world environment, students can build models, simulate natural processes like the water cycle or electricity, and explore scientific concepts in ways that feel personal and engaging. This makes learning active rather than passive. Students become problem solvers and creators instead of just absorbing information. The game also supports different learning styles, allowing learners to work at their own pace, collaborate, and show understanding through building, narrating, or presenting. For teachers, Minecraft provides a flexible platform to design inquiry-based lessons that feel more like exploration than formal testing, helping reduce pressure and increase motivation. Beyond science knowledge, it also builds essential 21st century skills such as teamwork, digital literacy, and critical thinking. Overall, Minecraft turns classrooms into shared, dynamic spaces where students learn by doing and develop both scientific understanding and future-ready skills. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.